Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your account on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, deleting your account is a bit more complicated than simply going into your account settings and deleting your account from there. Now, the data of your account and your profile are logged in a platform level and not on an account level, so you can't really do what I mentioned previously, but what you can do is you can request your account deletion per the legal requirements of your region. They are regionally compliant, so if your region does have certain legality, depending on whether they can keep your data or not. For example, for the EU, it's the GDPR, which Skool is GDPR compliant in Europe. So pretty much all you need to do is give them a request for account deletion, and they are legally obligated to give it to you. Now what you need to do is click on the help center and go to the help center and contact support, and then you can actually go ahead and request deletion. So just click on support once you get here, and you can then go ahead and write about your problem. In this case, you should write about your account deletion, probably even provide a reason if they request it. Providing a reason anyway will be a good step so that you don't have to do it later. But yeah, what you need to do is just create a support ticket with a request to delete your account, and they should comply with it depending on the legality of your region. And that is basically all you need to do. It's as simple as that. You will need to wait for a bit, but it's pretty much just that and that only. If your region does not have any legality regarding deleting your account data, they will probably still comply just out of for customer satisfaction. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.